Tracy, founder of Entrepreneur Girl. I'm really psyched you're here on this channel. We have a lot of great content here, posting 2 videos every single week, so please subscribe if you haven't already so you don't miss any of them. For today's episode, we are going to be talking about Amazon affiliate marketing for beginners. You are going to see this type of content rolling out, so thumbs up if you like it so that I know you like it, so I can post videos more for you on this type of content. So I know you are probably staring at this big Band-Aid. You are, aren't you? I knew it. I had surgery last week, so some of my videos, there might be something kind of wonky going on here on the face. Stop staring at it, and just wanted to explain what was happening right there. You're still looking at it. Stop looking at it. Let's talk about affiliate marketing. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is you want to do a Google search for Amazon Associates. And if you don't already have an account, it's free. So there's no reason for you not to try this out. If you have an account though, go ahead and sign in. The next thing that you want to do is go to Amazon.com. And you're going to see this cool new site stripe up here at the top. This is what we're going to be using for today's video, specifically the text, image, and text plus image. Now, why are we talking about Amazon? Well, Amazon is a beast. They are the #1 platform for online shopping, for e-commerce, and that is why we're utilizing them for Amazon Associates. If you're new to this whole affiliate type of thing, what are we talking about? Well, basically what happens is if you get people to come to Amazon and to purchase something while they are there, you are going to get a commission, which is wonderful because this is pretty much passive income that comes in every single month for you. The beauty of it is once they come to your account, even if they don't buy the things that led them there to begin with, the things you were trying to get them to purchase, it still doesn't matter. Amazon recognizes your affiliate account number, and anything that they purchase within 24 hours, you will get a commission on. So this is a great way to get $300, $400, $500 a month without even really trying too awfully hard. Now, I know that you're probably looking at this like, why does your page look different than my page? Well, that is because I am part of the Amazon Influencer program, and we're not going to be covering that in today's video. That's like a different topic, but it does deal with affiliates. So any of these objects down here, these products, I don't own these products. They're not sitting in my house. I'm not selling them, but they are products that I use. People ask me all the time, well, Tracy, what products do you use for your e-commerce business, and what books do you read? And here I just put everything in one place. They can go here, they can see what I love, what I use, what I want to have, and then they can purchase it for themselves. So they see it in the video, they pop over here and they click on it. The beauty of that is anything else that they click on while they're here, I'm also getting a commission on. And how you use this, let me just show you real quick. This is my website, entrepreneurgirl.net. If you haven't been on it, please go check it out. Love for you to have access to this free resource library, but what am I trying to show you here? My Amazon picks. Click on that and then it will take you to that Amazon influencer page that you just saw. So I want to show you a real life example instead of some dummy example. I was working on a YouTube video today. This is my YouTube channel, and I was actually working on this Amazon Photos tutorial that is now live. And what I have done is I have a Word document template that I use for the description box underneath each one of my videos. And I was putting this whole section in to that description because this wasn't there before. But I know that I'm going to be doing a video on photography and people are going to ask me about the filming gear. So if I don't answer them down in the product description, they're just going to email me about it anyway. So it is really a good idea for me to put this down below so they can just see what I'm using, see what I'm demonstrating in the video, and it has a link here to the Amazon page and they can just go directly to it, see how much it is, see the reviews and any other information that they need. Well, I needed one more item here. I needed a photography reflector. And so I wanted to push pause and do this video for you here because this is the perfect example, right, of using affiliates. This is not an item that I'm really trying to pitch. I'm talking about photography for e-commerce. So I'm trying to do a tutorial on teaching people that are in e-commerce about photography for their products, because a lot of people have to hire this out, and maybe through my video series that I'm going to be doing, they won't have to hire it out. And if they get this equipment, they will have it in-house and they could just do it themselves and save a lot of money. I do this even though photography is one of the services that I offer, mind you. But this is a good opportunity for them as a business owner to just kind of set themselves up for success. So I'm trying to put all of these items here. So I'm not really pitching these items, but they can check it out and I can get a commission if they choose to purchase the items that I have and that I'm demonstrating in the video. So now I need this link, right, on Amazon. I need this little Amazon affiliate link. How do I get that? Well, we are going to go back to our Amazon page and I'm going to look up that product. Okay, and here is that product. I'm just going to close that out. And here, what we're going to do next is super easy, is we're going to hit this text button and it's going to generate this code for us. And we're going to right click or copy, and then I'm going to go back to my YouTube description and all I have to do is paste it there. And that's all there is to it. So now I am done with my YouTube description. Now you can see where this will be really helpful because I'm already doing YouTube. So anything that I just happen to sell is kind of icing on the cake. It is passive income in addition to what I'm already doing. You can do this for lots of different places though. You can do this for your social media. You could do this for blog, for YouTube like I showed you, your website, or you could just simply do a review online. Now I know a lot of you are going to be wondering about oversaturation because it seems to be a popular topic. You know, there's a big concern about the items in Amazon being oversaturated. And I just want to say on that there's a dozen niches popping up every single day in Amazon. Products are coming into the market literally daily. And there is a lot of low-hanging fruit for you to be using affiliate links with, to not even get crazy on, will make you several $100s a month just in affiliate commissions. So I definitely think it would be a good idea to add this to your existing entrepreneurial pursuits because it's free to try. It doesn't cost you anything. The Amazon Associates account is free. And just doing these links, as you saw, just takes a couple of seconds. So there's no really detriment in trying it. Okay, but say you don't have social media to, tweet about this. You can make a Pinterest thumbnail. There are so many things that you can do with that link that we just copied on social media or as you saw on YouTube. But say you don't have those things, I wanted to show you on your own blog or your own website. So I'm going to create a new post, kind of a dummy post, just to show you an example of this. So of course we want to have, reflector and any important keywords in the title. We also want to have that same keywords or keyword phrases in our description, but then we can post our link to our product. And that is where this comes in, where you see text plus image. When you click on this, you can get an image of the product. So like the reflector product that we were looking at, we can actually get a picture of the reflector even though we're not demonstrating it in a video. And that is really helpful when selling a product because people are reading this great added value blog and they're like, wow, reflectors really help my photography. I really feel like I need a reflector. And then here you have a picture of a reflector and you have the link where they can just go and check out the reflector on Amazon. And the beauty again is that even if they go, well, no, I'm gonna wait on that reflector, anything else that they purchase while on Amazon in their cart within 24 hours of linking into Amazon from your associate number, you are going to be getting a commission for that. Okay, so we talked about blogs, social media, YouTube, website. If you don't have any of those things, you still can do a review online. Video reviews are the best, right? Because they convert the best. But you can do a review on someone else's blog, on some type of online tech magazine, really anything. The sky's the limit. If you have a Mac, you can use programs such as Keynote or QuickTime. If you have a PC, you can use Google Slides, Camtasia, or Screencast-O-Matic, which is how I am filming this video right now when I'm talking to you. So you have a lot of different options to use these links for Amazon Associates. Now, if you don't know what product, like I knew what products I was going to be talking about because I'm doing a photography video, but say you don't know a product, you're just trying to, figure this whole affiliate thing out. You can go to Amazon.com best sellers, and it will give you a list in any of the departments on the 100 top selling products. So for example, this laser tag is #1 in toys and games. So I can be talking about Christmas, right? In fourth quarter, say, the top selling toy is laser tag. And I can do this whole write-up. I can have pictures of my kids playing laser tag or sitting around a Christmas tree or, anything on some blog, and then give that link to this. And even though I don't own this product, I can pitch this product and I can sell it and get a commission. So I'm not technically selling a product that I own. I'm selling it for Amazon and I'm getting a commission. So as you can see, you can make money on products you're not really pitching. I can make products that I am pitching but I don't own. And I can also make money on products that I actually do own, but I only own one of, like as in the case of doing this YouTube description. I do actually own all of these items and I was showing them in the video. And that is really all there is to the Amazon Associates program. It's super easy. Amazon is crazy wonderful. All you have to do is get the people to Amazon, and then Amazon does all the work. They're going to handle the customer service. They're going to handle the marketing, the advertising, everything. So it's super easy. All you have to do is sign up for this free program and then get people to Amazon and then make a passive income. So I hope it was really helpful, and I hope that you will incorporate this into your business because it is really just super simple. Okay guys, I hope that video was super helpful to you. Again, thumbs up, let me know if it was or was not. Also, comment down below. I want to hear how you are using your affiliate links. Are you doing it on a website? Are you doing it on a blog post like we talked about? What methods are you using? And if you're new here, subscribe and then put down there, I just subscribed, so that I can talk to you personally down in the chat below. See you next video. Until then guys, bye.